Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, yesterday we have finished our lesson number 1 and now we have lesson number 2, Ad-Darsu Thani. Okay, our volume number 2, Madina book. Okay, so now I will read and translate. Please focus on the board. Ad-Darsu Thani, lesson number 2. هشام يقول السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Bilal يقول, Bilal says, ya Bilal reply, وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالك يا أخي? How are you, oh my brother? من الأخ? कौन हो भाई? Who are you? من الأخ? Okay, he is asking about من الأخ, जैसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं कौन हो भाई आप, ठीक है. من الأخ. हिशाम यक़ूल أنا मुहंदिस जदीद. I am a new engineer. I am an new engineer. اسمي हिशाम. My name is Hisham. أنا من الولايات المتحدة. I am from USA. Okay. أنا من الولايات المتحدة. ولايات المتحدة, it means United States of America. بلال أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بك يا أخي. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بك يا أخي. आपका आना मुबारक हो, बहुत बहुत खुश आमदेद ओह मेरे भाई. أنا مسرور بلقائك. أنا مسرور, it means I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. I am happy to see you. मुझे आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. أنا زميلك. I am your mate. Your mate. मैं तुम्हारा साथी हूँ. इसमी बिलाल इब्न हामिद. My name is Bilal ibn Hamid. You know, you cannot say Bilal ibn Hamid. You have already read about the alif wasli and alif qat'i. Okay, if alif comes in the beginning, so you have to read. But when it comes in the middle of the sentence, you have to skip it. So, ismi Bilal ibn Hamidin. My name is Bilal bin Hamid. I'm in Washington, anta ya Hisham. I'm in Washington, anta ya Hisham. O Hisham, क्या तुम Washington से हो? Are you from Washington, O Hisham? Hisham, لا. أنا لست من Washington. No, I am not. ليس. Okay, in this lesson we will read about and we will know about laysa. Okay, it is one of the af'al naqisa. It is called. Total I think 17 af'al naqisa are there. Now we will know about only one, laysa. It has a full past tense forms like laysa, laysa, laysu, laysat, laysata, lasna, lasta, lastuma, lastum, lasti, lastuma, lastunna, lastu, lasna. Okay, but now just forget these things. Only remember laysa and lastu. Lastu, I am not. Laysa, he is not. Lasta, you are not. Okay, here ana lastu min Washington. I am not from Washington. Inni min New York. I am from New York. Okay, Inni, you have already read about it. Bilal, a Muslimun abuka ya Hisham. Is your father Muslim, O Hisham? Hisham, la, huwa laysa bi Muslimin. No, he is not a Muslim. Huwa laysa bi Muslimin. Okay? Huwa laysa, it is for third person. Laysa, laysa, laysu, laysat, laysata, lasna. And second person, lasta, lastuma, lastum, lasti, lastuma, lastunna. And first person, lastu, lasna. Okay, now here, huwa laysa bi Muslimin, he is not a Muslim. Bilal, wa ummuk. And what about your mother? Here, a Muslimatun, here, is she Muslim? Bilal, Hisham, la, hiya laysat bi Muslima. No, she is not a Muslim. वो भी मुसलमान नहीं है. Bilal, alaka abna'un ya Hisham. I have forget to take the question mark. Alaka abna'un ya Hisham? Do you have a son, O Hisham? Hisham, na'am, li sittatu abna. Okay, I told you 1 till 9 you have to use a plural. Okay, sittatu ibn, wrong, sittatu abna, and here you have to use the opposite. Abna, it is a masculine, so you have to use sitta in feminine form. Okay, now here look, khamsa banat. You cannot say khamsatu banat because banat is feminine, so you have to use masculine. So same thing. Na'am li sittatu abna. Yes, I have a 6 son. MashaAllah, very good, Hisham. Bilal, at-tullabun hum? Are they all students? Hisham, la, hum laysu bitullabin. Hum laysu bitullabin. Okay? No, they are not students. They are not students. वो students नहीं है. अब यहाँ पर देखो लैसु इस्तेमाल हुआ है. सिंगुलर हो और थर्ड फॉर्म में गायब का सेगा हो तो लैसा, और अगर सेकंड फॉर्म में हो तो लस्ता, like this. Okay? لا هم ليسوا بطلاب. No, they are not students. إن بعضهم تجار وبعضهم مهندسون. Some of them, Ba'az means some of them are businessmen and some of them engineer. Bilal, alaka banat? Do you have a daughters? Hisham, na'am, li khamsu banat. Yes, I have a 5 daughters. Now you have to see in your book, look at here. Bilal, amutazawwijatun hunna? Are they all married? Hisham, la, no. Hunna lasna bimutazawwijat. No, they are not married. Innahunna sigar. They are small. بعضهن في المدرسة الابتدائية وبعضهن في المدرسة المتوسطة. Some of them in the primary school and some of them in the middle school. Bilal, alaka ikhwa? Do you have a brothers? Hisham, la, laysa li ikhwatun. No, I don't have a brothers. Inna li thalatha akhawat. I don't have, I have only 3 sisters. Bilal, amuslimatun hunna? Are they all Muslims? Hisham, na'am, hunna muslimat. They all are Muslim, walhamdulillah, and all praise due to Allah, due to God. Okay, so bifadlillah we have finished the lesson, and inshallah next our video we will do the exercises. It's enough for today. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.